Namaste. We are the students of PM Shri Kendriya Vidyalaya, Barakpur Air Force. Today we are highlighting the solution for the problem that several year farmers have to face about many problems like they couldn't figure out the correct and current market price, the middleman takes the maximum profit, they couldn't be able to aware of the weather and different climatic changes.
So, in solution to these problems, we have built an app. The app name is AgriCure, and the app has several features to help the farmers to deal with these respective problems. So now let us understand how this app works. So firstly, if we look at the home section of this app, whose name is AgriCure, we can see two farmers, where Rajiv is a small farmer and Sanket is a big farmer. So these two farmers can and all the other farmers from every place of India can make their ID in this app, and on making their ID in this app they will be registered with all the other farmers of India. So in return, this app will connect all the farmers across the India at just one platform. If we now go to the scan crop section, now in this section the farmer can upload the photos of their respective crops, and on uploading the photos of their respective crop, this app will try to help them with the ideas of what issues these crops might have. It can be of any type of bacteria, any type of pollution, or any other type of problems, for example nitrogen deficiency and pests, etc., which these crops can have. Now if we go to the market price section, so in this section we can see that there are different crops. So the farmer, according to their localities, can check the price of any crop they want, and also this app gives the price per quintal. So the farmer can get the idea of selling the product in bulk. Now if we go to the weather section, so here the related weather problems which are probable to come, the farmer already gets an idea of what problems or what types of natural disaster or calamities are gonna come. Now if we go to the report section, so here the reports of the scanned crops do come, and finally the reward section is where the farmer gets aware of all the government schemes and rewards the government gives them. So from here our farmer brothers can be knowledgeable about the government schemes and also about the crops and all the facilities which this app provides them.
In conclusion, the app made by us, our team Pentatron under Billiathon 2025 empowers farmers by combining technology and agriculture to enhance their productivity, efficiency and sustainability. By providing real-time data, weather reports and market insights, it helps farmers to improve their productivity and yields. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.